Hello, today I've built this gaming rig here. Consists of a Crosshair 5 formula motherboard, an FX8320. I've put my Phanteks cooler on it, as you can see. I've put my 7970 Lightning in it, and I've got some Avexir RAM, which you can't see because of the Phanteks cooler. I actually had a Athlon X2 and a Gigabyte 970A DS3 in this rig before, and obviously that was quite slow. I only really use this rig to play War Thunder a bit and a couple of other games in summer, so I thought I'd just throw the 8320 in there and see if it made any difference. It has made quite a lot of difference in terms of FPS, I have to say. Before, with the Athlon, I was getting about about 50 to 80 FPS maximum. With this setup, I'm getting about 90 to 110. That's at 1080p, and I can also play perfectly fine at 4K and also 1440p, although I actually like to play at 1440p, otherwise the FPS is a little bit low. It's like 40 to 50 FPS, which is a tad low, but it might be alright for some people. As you can see, none of the lights match up. The graphics card is blue, the RAM is flashing sort of orange and yellow. You might be able to see that better from above because it's underneath the heatsink. And obviously the motherboard is red, so none of it's colour coordinated, but I don't really care, to be honest. I've got it open like this right on my desk, as you can see. There's my monitor. I haven't got the game open at the moment because it does crash from time to time because this Lightning isn't 100% stable. But as you can see, it does mean all of the heat gets dumped into my face, and it's like 250 watts of graphics card plus God knows how much power that FX8320 is. It's more than 125 watts, I can tell you that. It's currently clocked at 4.5 gigahertz, I think, on 1.4 volts. I'll just load up CPU-Z quickly here and you can have a look. There we go. 4.5 gigahertz, just a multiplier overclock, not a base clock overclock. RAM at 1600 megahertz, I haven't bothered fiddling with that either. But yeah, it runs pretty well really. I've just been playing War Thunder on it. No point playing Crisis or anything like that on this monitor, otherwise you'd have to play it at 1080p medium or high settings or something awful like that. So yeah, that's it really. See ya.